But first, the owners of a holiday park on the Norfolk coast are blaming the extension of a nearby harbour for ruining their beach.
Bourne Leisure, which owns the Hopton holiday village, commissioned a report which claims erosion of the beach has speeded up since the nearby Great Yarmouth Harbour was extended. Jim Rice has more.
On a day like today, the erosive power of the North Sea is pretty clear. So too is the scale of erosion on the beach at Hopton-on-Sea. So, the owners of Hopton Holiday Village called a press conference today to ask a pretty simple question. A question to which they say they already know the answer.
15 years ago, this beach was at the same level as the top of the cedar fences to my left. Bourne Leisure claimed the speed of erosion here has increased since the building of the outer harbour extension.
The holiday village has produced a DVD showing the impact they believe the harbour extension is having. In simple terms, sand is being washed away from Hopton to the south, just as it always has. But, they say, because of the harbour extension, it's no longer being replaced by new sand from the north.
The beach at Hopton was exhibiting some small erosion at the southern end, and it was effectively stable at the northern end, right up until 2007. There was a distinct change in beach behaviour after the harbour was completed. And there's therefore a very strong inference that the harbour is responsible for that.
Bosses at the holiday park say that's putting these clifftop mobile homes at risk.
We've written to the 6 signatories of the monitoring agreement. They have a responsibility to make sure the beach is put back if it's founded that the Greater Harbour has caused this. So we would urge them to read our report. We would like them to appoint an independent assessor to look at that report. And if they agree with it, we want our beach back at Hopton.
Construction of Great Yarmouth's outer harbour was completed in 2010. Owners Eastport today released their own statement, saying there is no evidence that the outer harbour is responsible for the erosion of Hopton Beach. Variability in beach level is something that's been happening for many tens, if not hundreds of years, prior to the advent of the outer harbour. The holiday park is showing its findings to local residents at a public meeting tonight. You can expect the battle for this beach to take rather longer to resolve. Jim Rice, ITV News, Hopton-on-Sea in Norfolk.